To connect a server to iRidium Lite, first of all you must launch a server. I have explained how to do it in separate videos. After you launched the server, go to the config and enter the server tab. Press Find Server. If a server is not found, check that the server and the panel where iRidium is launched are in the same local network. You can find other solutions to this problem in the description to the video. If you can see here the word activated in green, it means that the server is already used in another iRidium project and you can't use it. If you want to activate this very server in this project, go to another project and deactivate the server there. Then come back to this project and activate the server here. In my case, the server and the panel are in the same local network. The server is found. Press on the name of the server. After you do it, a server gets registered in the cloud and the project is uploaded to the server. It's necessary for you to set remote control in the future and buy a required license. Now the project already works via iRidium server. I'd like to draw your attention to the fact that you can't see Save to Cloud option here. Now, when you do some changes, you'll make the project public on the server with the help of Make Public button. That is, you will upload it to the server and automatically the project is saved to the cloud. Let's have a look at server settings. To begin with, iRidium server does not have a web interface, and the settings you see in the server tab are all settings iRidium server Lite has. Here you can see the following parameters of a server: its name, internal IP address, connection port, and the server version. The version is required if you have to contact our technical support. If you use iRidium Server UMC or iRidium Server API, you must enter network settings. As I work with iRidium Server for Windows, these settings are taken automatically from the network. The same thing with date and time. The next step is to update the server software to the latest version. If you bought a server some time ago and now decided to use it, or if delivery took some time, a later version of server software with new function may have been released. That's why the next step is to update the version. To install the latest version, press the Update button. At the moment, there are no available updates. When they appear, you will see a link here. If you use iRidium Server for Windows and press Update button, a page of our website is opened and you can simply download the setup. If you use iRidium Server UMC or iRidium Server API, you'll press Update Now button and a distributive is automatically downloaded and installed on your device. You can select Auto Update, but I do not recommend it, as I prefer to control all server updates. Work Mode parameter defines local or external connection. External connection can be set via port forwarding or via secure remote connection using iRidium Cloud Gate. I'll explain how to set it in another video. Here you can see the Maintenance tab. You can disconnect the server here. If you know that there are planned to be a power cut, it's not recommended to plug out the server. You can press Disconnect Server button and the app is simply closed on Windows and the app stops on iRidium Server UMC and iRidium Server API. To launch iRidium Server UMC or API, simply supply power to it. To launch iRidium Server on Windows, you'll have to click on the server label again. Ignore the test mode in this tab as it is no longer used. You can see here the Change button. For example, you tested iRidium Server for Windows and now you want to work with iRidium Server UMC. Locate iRidium Server UMC in the same local network with the panel. Press the Change button. Press the icon to update all servers in the local network, and a project will be copied from one server to another. If you want to deactivate a server, press the basket icon. To deactivate a server, you are asked to enter your installer password. A project is deleted from the server and is copied back to the panel, and it will work from the panel as it did before. Everything is deleted from the server and it is deactivated from the cloud, and you'll have a clear server that can be used in another project. I'll explain how to set push notifications and remote control in separate videos.